Lessons from the World's Wide Web. One of the greatest promises of the Internet relates to education. In times of teacher shortages, the benefits are obvious. One teacher online can instruct millions of pupils. There are obvious disadvantages, such as the lack of one-to-one teacher-pupil engagement, but mixing online with traditional education can reduce that problem. The Internet will also be one major way of delivering digital immersion learning. This is learning that uses virtual technology to give students a sense of being realistically inside an environment, so that they can learn more directly by participation. They can experience, in inverted commas, historical events and fly like a bird over continents, through planetary systems, or into cells and molecules. Before the Internet can confidently be used as an educational tool, however, some of its more serious problems must be addressed, chief of which is the unreliability of so much of the information it contains. Here is a telling example. Suppose you wish to trace the author and context of a quotation you have encountered, as I did recently. On my search, the first web page cited by Google attributed it to the wrong poet, though this mistake was corrected in all of the following references. There were also frequent transcription errors on other web pages. No for not, senses for sense, and so on. These may be minor matters here, but would be far from minor if we were dealing with a mathematical or a chemical formula. The lesson is that to make the best use of the Internet as an educational resource, its content has to be checked for reliability and a system of classification introduced. Given that the Internet is already the main resource for students, the need is urgent. I suggest that an international consortium of universities should set up panels of experts to assess the worth of websites, endorsing that they are reliable. They should not censor nor comment on matters of opinion, but they should authoritatively identify worthwhile sites and warn of factual error when it occurs. Without such expert monitoring, the Internet will increasingly be a problem rather than a boon, and limited in educational value.